Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a bright, shiny factory, where everything was colorful and clean, lived a friendly robot named Unit 7. Unit 7 was a tall, blue robot, with big, round eyes, and a cheerful smile always lit up on his screen face. He loved watching the factory machines go clank and whir. Beep, boop, he'd say, fascinated by their movements. One sunny morning, Unit 7 had a wonderful idea. "I want to dance like the machines," he beeped excitedly. He decided to create a special robot dance, inspired by all the clanking and whirring he saw every day. He wanted his robot friends to dance with him. There was Bolt, a small, speedy robot with bright yellow wheels, and Whir, a gentle green robot with long, bendy arms. Unit 7 got to work right away. He used his computer screen chest to program the dance moves. He made sure there were clanky arm swings like the stamping machine, whirly spins like the mixing gears, and synchronized steps like the conveyor belts moving together. It was a fun challenge. Soon, Unit 7 called Bolt and Whir. "Beep, beep, come watch," he announced. He started the program, and all three robots began to dance. Bolt zoomed around in quick circles, Whir waved his long arms smoothly, and Unit 7 stomped his feet in time with the clanking sounds. Sometimes, their movements weren't exactly right. Bolt might zoom too fast, or Whir's arm might get tangled, but they didn't give up. They giggled and tried again. Unit 7 would adjust the program, and they would practice together, helping each other get the steps just right. Finally, after lots of practice and happy whirring sounds, their robot dance was perfect. They moved together smoothly, their clanks and whirs, in perfect harmony. It was a wonderful synchronized dance, all thanks to Unit 7's idea and their teamwork. They performed their robot dance for all the other friendly machines in the factory. Everyone cheered and made happy beeping noises. Unit 7, Bolt and Whir, were so happy they worked together. Remember, even robots need to learn and practice, and it's always more fun when you do it with friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.